Sai Ram children. Hello to everyone. So ready for the active English? So let's begin our chapter number 24. Ready to go? Okay. Now here. Now before we start our chapter, I would like to tell you that the uses of it and that. Now it is a pronoun, right? And it is used in a sentence to refer to objects, animal or other living things. Okay, except people, persons are not added here. Okay, to point out the objects, animals or other living things, okay, like the trees, okay, we use it, not for the people, not to refer, not to talk about people, right? And that, this again it is a pronoun and it is used to refer to specific object, item, person, etc. Okay, so that can be used for person, people also. Okay, now this is going to help you out in this exercise which we'll be doing. Join the sentences using that. Okay, so here you can see we have two sentences, right? Maya has a pen. It costs 10 rupees. Now we have to join these sentences by using which word? That. Now where we are going to use that? Let's see in the answer. Okay, the question is Maya has a pen. It costs 10 rupees. And the answer is Maya has a pen. That costs 10 rupees. Now what is done here? What is removed and what is added here? Can you see here, children? It. And here, that. So what is done here? We have removed it. And instead of that, instead of it, what we have added? We have added that. Now the work of both the pronouns is same, to point out, right? So it here means what? Pen. Maya has a pen. It costs 10 rupees. Okay, so that means the cost of the pen is 10 rupees. It. So what is used here? Instead of pen, which pronoun is used? It in the second sentence. So while writing the answer, what we are going to do? We are going to remove that it and we are going to use that. The work of both the pronouns is same, to point out the subject, right? So Maya has a pen. Point out the noun, right? Maya has a pen. So we are talking about pen. That costs 10 rupees. So what is done here? We have removed it. We have also removed the full stop. Instead, we have added that. Okay, and then the remaining sentence. So our answer is Maya has a pen that costs 10 rupees. Followed, what is done here? The second one. Anu wore a dress. It had yellow buttons. It means what? Dress, right? We are talking about dress. Dress has what? It had yellow buttons. Dress had yellow buttons. So how to join it? By using what? That. Okay, so what is done? Anu wore a dress that had yellow buttons. We have removed the full stop. We added that there. We have also removed what? It, right? So what is the answer we got here? Anu wore a dress that had yellow buttons. We have removed what? We have removed the full stop. We have removed it also. Isn't it? So we get the answer. What is it? Anu wore a dress that had yellow buttons. Clear now? Okay. Now the same thing we are supposed to do in the rest of the exercise too. Raj found a box. It was full of pencils. Now it means what? Box. So we have to remove it and add that. So our answer is Raj found a box that was full of pencils. Clear, children? Fourth one. Look at the picture. It is on the blackboard. So what will be the answer? Look at the picture. That is on the blackboard. Correct? Let's see. Okay. So answer is Look at the picture that is on the blackboard. Okay, so I hope you have followed what we are doing here. We are removing it and adding there, joining with the word that. Okay, we are removing it, adding that there, and in this way, by using that word, we are joining the two sentences together, isn't it? Okay, so now children, the question number 5, the 5th sentence is homework for you. Okay, I hope you will be able to do it. Now, before we do the next exercise, the word which. Okay, now it is used. Why it is used? Where it is used? It is used in a sentence to add information to the objects, items, people or situation. Okay, so it gives us more information about what we are talking. Okay, now let's see. Join the sentences using which. So now in the previous exercise we joined the sentence by using that. I'm going to use which to join the sentence. Let's see how. He sat on a chair. It had a broken leg. It means what? Chair, right? So what is our work now? We have to join it by using which, right? Now, he sat on a chair which had a broken leg. Now, the word which tells us about chair. Okay, it gives us more information here. He sat on a chair which had a broken leg. So, in this exercise also, we are going to remove it and we are going to add which. The second one. Prem wore a shirt. It was yellow and black. So, which word we have to use? Which, right? So, Prem wore a shirt which was yellow and black, right? So, we have joined the two sentences using which. Anu has a dog. It barks loudly. So, two sentences to add with by using which. Anu has a dog which barks loudly, right? Anu has a dog which barks loudly. Now the fourth sentence. Raj has a pencil. It writes in 4 colors. So what will be the answer? Raj has a pencil. We'll remove what? It, and what we are going to add there? Which. We'll also remove the full stop, right? So Raj has a pencil which writes in 4 colors, right? This should be the answer. Let's see. Yes, Raj has a pencil which writes in 4 colors, right? Now, question number 5 again from this exercise is homework which you are going to do it. I know it's very easy, right? Okay. Now the next exercise. Join the sentences using that. Okay, again we are going to use the pronoun that here to join the two sentences. Now let's see how. That is the picture. I painted it. Now children, in the answer you can see it is this is the picture. We have changed that to this. Why so? Because we cannot have two that in the one sentence, right? That is the picture that I painted. No. So we have changed here. This, we are again referring it. This is the picture that I painted. Again the same thing we have done here. Let's see the second one. This is the pencil. You lost it. So the answer will be this is the pencil that you lost. Right? We have removed the full stop. Right? And we have added there that. So this is the pencil that you lost. Followed? Here is the pen. You dropped it on the floor. Here is the pen, right? You dropped it on the floor. It means what, children? Pen, right? So let's see. Here is the pen that you dropped on the floor. What is done here now? What you can see? Here is the pen that you dropped on the floor. We have removed it here, right? We have used that. That means it is taking. It is just like we are using it. We are same way we are using that here. So we cannot take it and that together. So here is the pen that you dropped on the floor. So we have removed it from the sentence. Followed? Remember, here also the same thing we did in the second one. This is the pencil that you lost. Again, here what is done? It is removed. Followed? You can see here in the first sentence also. That is the picture I painted. We have removed it. Okay? Because we have used that here. So no need of again writing it here. Because the work of that and it is done by one word, and that is that. So this is the picture that I painted, and this is the pencil that you lost. We have removed it. Same way in the third sentence also. Here is the pen that you dropped on the floor. What is done here? We have removed it from the sentence. Okay. So in this exercise we have to remove it. We have already added there that. That is the book my father gave it to me. Okay, so again that is come. So that will change into this. This is the book, and now we will have that. Okay, this is the book that my father gave me. Okay, so in this case what is done here? We have removed it too. Okay, so this is the book that my father gave me. No need of writing it again. There goes the bus. I wanted to catch it. There goes the bus. I wanted to catch it. So the answer is, there goes the bus that I wanted to catch. Okay, what is done here? We have removed it. Isn't it? Fine. So there goes the bus that I wanted to catch. May I have the book? I lent it to you yesterday. Okay, it means book, right? So our answer will be, may I have the book that I lent you yesterday. Okay, it we have removed. So, may I have the book that I lent you yesterday. This is the tie. I bought it for a present. Again the same thing. This is the tie that I bought for a present. This is the tie that I bought for a present. Follow, children? Now the eighth sentence. She has lost the ruler. She bought it yesterday. Again the same thing we'll be doing. She has lost the ruler that she bought yesterday. What is removed here? It. Okay, we do not want it and that in one sentence here. Okay, so we have removed it. She has lost the ruler that she bought yesterday. I am wearing the shoes. My mother gave them to me. I am wearing the shoes. My mother gave them to me. Them means what here? Shoes, right? We are talking about shoes. So no need of repeating the pronoun here for the shoes. Instead, we'll add that. So I am wearing the shoes that my mother gave me. I'm wearing the shoes that my mother gave me. So that is doing the work for them, right? That is the school I go to it. That is the school I go to it. Now here also, this is the school. Okay, that will change into this. This is the school that I go. We'll remove it here, to it. So no need of to it. I go. So this is the school that I go. So what we have done here, children? We have added something. We have removed something. Okay, and by doing so, we have not disturbed the sentence. We have not changed the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so in this exercise, not only this, the previous exercise also, in all the exercise that we have done today. Okay, what is done here? Though we have removed some words and we have added some, we have not changed the meaning of the sentence. The sentence meaning remains the same, right? That is the school I go to it. This is the school that I go. The meaning is one and the same. Okay? Fine. Now, I hope you have followed. So, this is again homework. The 11th and the 12th sentence question which is there in your book. It's homework for you. I hope you are completing your work. Okay. So, we'll stop here for the day. Bye.